Hello, my dear children. Welcome to the 8th standard science class. Hope all are doing well. I am your Suja teacher. You have already learned the lesson 1, that is a biology lesson, crop production and management. Now I am going to start the lesson 11, that is force and pressure, a physics lesson. Let us start our class. Let us recall what you have learned in class 7. How we can decide whether an object is moving faster than the other. We will decide by its speed. What is speed? Speed is the distance moved by an object in unit time. Have you ever wondered what makes an object slow down or go faster or change its direction of motion? Let us recall some of our everyday experiences. What do you do to make a moving ball move faster? We will kick the ball faster, isn't it? How does a goalkeeper stop a ball hit by a batsman? He will catch the ball. A hockey player changes the direction of the moving ball with a flick of the stick. In all these cases, a ball is either made to move faster or slower, or its direction of motion is changed. We often say that a force has been applied on a ball when it is kicked, pushed, thrown, or flicked. So, what is a force? We hear the usage of this term many times in our day to day life. We might not know that we are using it. Opening a door, riding a bicycle, lifting an object that we perform in our daily life, all these require a force. What is a force? Consider a ball on the ground at rest. It's not moving. Suppose the player here wants to pass the ball to his teammate. How will he do that? He need to make this ball move in the direction of his teammate. So, he will kick the ball. When he kicks the ball, we say that he applied a force on the football. Yes, kick is nothing but the force he applied on the ball. Now, suppose we have a desk here at the point A. A person wants to move this desk from point A to the point B. Here he will push the desk towards the point B. In this case, we say that the person applied a force on the desk in order to shift it. The push here is the force that the person applied on the desk. Similarly, when you lift some object from the table, here the force is applied in the form of lifting. So, forces are nothing but actions such as kicking, pushing, lifting, etc. performed on objects. While riding a bicycle, we pedal it continuously to keep it in motion. Here pedaling is the force that we apply on a bicycle. Hitting the hammer on a nail is also a force applied on the nail. What about stopping a moving ball? Yes, even stopping the ball means we are applying a force on it. We applied some force to stop the ball. Opening a drawer, plucking the string of a guitar, moving a piece of a chessboard are some of the actions where we are applying force. So, we can categorize all these actions into two basic ones: pushing and pulling. For example, when we are opening the drawer, we are simply pulling the knob of the drawer to open it. Similarly, when we are drawing or lifting a bucket of water from the well, we are pulling the bucket towards us. What are the actions that can be described under pushing? Actions such as passing the ball, hitting the hammer, etc. can be thought of as pushing an object. Are there any actions that can be described under both? Yes, there are. Suppose there is a book on the table. You can either pull it towards you or push it away from you like this. That the forces are nothing but the push and pull applied on objects. Forces are due to interaction between the bodies of objects. What does it mean? Let's go back to our first example of the video. In order to pass the ball to his teammate, player must move it. That is, he must interact with the ball to move it in the direction of his teammate. He interacts it by kicking it. Second example, he must interact with the desk. Now, Since we are clear with the basic understanding of what force is, let me put its definition. It states that force is a push or a pull on an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object. So let me repeat it. Force is a push or a pull on an object resulting from the object's interaction with another object.